Step 1. Open up the back pouch. Roll up the back protector pad. Insert protector pad. Smooth out inside of the pouch. Step 2. Open up the Velcro elbow area. Roll up the elbow protector pad. Insert into the protector pad. There are different options to choose from. You can make adjustments to fit your needs. Step 3. Shoulder protection. Open up the shoulder pouch area. Roll up the shoulder protection pad and insert into the area. Adjust to your needs. Step 4. Chest protection area. Open up the chest protector area. Insert the chest protection pad. Smooth out area and make sure it sits in place. Ride safe.